Let me introduce my team. Is our distributor, Mr. Kamalakar sir, and my hero, DQ, Dulquer Salman, and he is Rakshan. He is a television VJ. He is very famous in a satellite television called Vijay TV in Tamil Nadu, and it is his debut in both Tamil and Telugu. And he is my cinematographer K.M. Bhaskaran, and she is Niranjani. This is her first movie, and she is a very famous costume designer over there. And as an actress, this is her first movie, and this is our team. Thanks, thank you so much. This Kannulu Kannulanu Docha Ente movie is a romantic thriller movie, and it has all the elements for the youngsters and all types of audiences, even for family audiences. It has a lot of thrilling elements in the movie. So, it's not kind of that suspense thriller, not that kind of thrilling elements. Surprises, you will get surprised at every 30 minutes. That kind of surprises, there a lot of surprises, twists and turns are there in the movie. And throughout the progress of the movie, you will get excited, and I'm sure you will all enjoy this movie. The title suits good, and we searched whether the song is in Telugu. And luckily the song is hit in Telugu also, so we go with the title. Connection to the story. It's not just we picked a catchy line from an old song, not that kind of thing. Really the title has a connection to the movie.
Director, and I really enjoy working with first-time directors because they're very passionate about that film, and it's also you get to experience a new take. Just their way of storytelling might be different from people that maybe whose style you already know. So in that sense, it is different from the stuff I've done. The film also is very racy, it's very fast. Even in terms of a narration, it's very exciting. I couldn't predict where it's going. It's got lots of twists and turns and surprises, and so I felt like it'll be a really nice theatrical experience, like especially if you're going with a group of people, like friends and families. I feel like you'll all interact with each other and be like, did you catch that? I feel like that surprise will just suddenly come. And I felt like it's an interesting film which can appeal to both Tamil and Telugu audiences. In fact, when I first heard it, I remember just running it by some of my friends here, and I said, what do you think? Do you think this is a film that might appeal to audiences in Telugu? Because not all our films might appeal in different languages. But I think this is interesting in that sense. So we have a wonderful team. It's mostly us youngsters. I mean, I feel like I might be older than most people. And it has Gautam Menon sir, who is not just a terrific director, but turns out he's a terrific actor also. He's the most stylish element in our film. He's got the most screen presence. If you see the trailer, you'll see we had a screening yesterday just out of the trailer in our press meet in Chennai, and the most applause, most whistles, most excitement was every time he came on screen. And he has a very interesting role in the film. I think shades he hasn't done before. So in that sense, it's got Ritu. She couldn't make it here. She's filming another movie, and she's familiar to Telugu audiences. So that also I thought. I think some of you know me from Mahanati, so both of us are there. So there you go. Thank you. Great. So in that sense, maybe I thought it might seem like a film pitched directly to Telugu audiences. What else do I say? Sadly, I can't reveal too much more about the film because I feel like it'll take away from the first viewing experience. So a lot of the times we're at promotions, I'm always like, I wish we could do this after release, because then it'll be an interesting discussion. You guys would have seen it. Yeah, throughout. In fact, Rakshan and me and Gautam sir have a lot of interesting scenes actually. So even in the trailer, you can kind of see he's coming and catching us for something, or so he's there. That track runs throughout the film, and I feel like you'll see him doing unexpected things, which is fun. You won't expect Gautam sir to do that.
For the first time, we gonna see him as a full-fledged actor. Throughout the movie, he gonna come. That's the specialty in this movie. No, 30th minute he will come. From then on till climax, he will be there.
You as a producer, director, as an actor, shifting roles.
I think it's. I think today's age, it's important to play multiple roles. You even as an actor, I think you have to be good at performing. You have to, fight, dance, ride horses, know how to drive cars and bikes, and I see all these, youngsters who are now so good at so many things. And I feel like I'm quite limited. So now I play these different roles. I comfort myself in thinking that I can do things beyond just acting.
Some time back you were discussing about the book you have read somewhere. You know it's a good book or a...
Correct.
So even you know it's a hit movie or a flop movie.
Hit movie and flop, I don't know. I just know if it's a good script or bad script. A lot of the times, you don't know. Audience taste keeps changing, and there's so many other factors. Sometimes maybe another better film might be competing with ours. You can't tell when it releases. Sometimes you don't know what your release date is like. There's so many economics also attached to it. But I can tell if it's going to be a good original script. Hopefully, unless I haven't seen some obscure Korean film or something that it's stolen from. Sometimes that happens. Because I remember I once heard a script, I was very excited about it. But the team and the script didn't match. Like, they seemed very inexperienced. And then I met another actor and he said, hey, I heard this very interesting script, but I don't know if those guys can make it. I said, what is it? Same idea. But two different teams. So I was like, then he's like, no, then I finally found it that it's a remake of some other film from some other language. So that I can't vouch for because I haven't obviously seen all the movies in the world. But you can't tell if it's going to be something special. My co-actor, so Ritu is not here, so we'll start with her. So we all know her from Pelli Choopulu actually. In fact, I strictly don't do remakes, but a lot of people kept kind of pitching that movie to me, saying, hey, would you like to remake this in Tamil or Malayalam? So we've all know her work, and so even when Desing we're trying to cast an actress, I think most people suggested Ritu to him based on Pelli Choopulu. And she's a perfect fit if you see from what promos we put out. But it's also very layered, her character. So you'll see her in sort of different shades, which she hasn't done before. So that also we're excited about. And, sorry?
Who said it to cast Gautam?
My director only, yeah. Full
My
credit.
idea, sir. Sir, ma'am, sorry. I wanted a very fresh face for that, ma'am. I can cast regular actors, but it will look like their one of their films. But if I cast Gautam Menon, it will become a topic, and you will see the freshness in the screen. And he has an extraordinary screen presence, and that's it, ma'am. For that only, screen presence and for the fresh experience.
Yeah, because you won't know how he's going to react or what he's going to do. So that excitement will be there.
Yeah. What makes him to accept this?
I think he himself said that the way I approached him, he didn't even listen to the script. I was following him for nearly 1.5 hours, continuously sending him text messages, trying to reach him.
1.5 years.
1.5 years, sorry.
I said 1.5 hours. It's not
I'm
very long.
sorry, 1.5 years. At last, that's why he didn't even listen to the script, and he called me for a meeting, and he spoke to me for 5 minutes. Then he said, okay, let's do this. Then I myself narrated him, sir, please listen to the script. And he said, okay.
The rest of the cast is Rakshan. He's very well known in Tamil for his work on television. He hosts multiple shows. He's got great comic timing, and so he's also he plays my friend, and we're like a team throughout the film, start to finish. And Ritu and Niranjani are the girl team in the film. It's been a wonderful experience in the sense I felt really young again. It was like going back to college or something, because they're all super young at heart, and all our sequences are a lot of fun, like whatever you see on screen. whatever they sing had planned, it didn't feel like work. It didn't feel like shoot days. We were just, I think a lot of the times both Bhaskar and Desing had to remind us, hey, shot is ready. You guys should also be acting. Sort of thing. But let me give the mic to Rakshan.
నమస్కారం. కన్నులు కన్నును దోచాయండి. ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ எல்லாரும் இங்கே வந்ததுக்கு. This project is very special to me because it's my debut and I had so much fear to talk there in the press meet because almost I know everyone. So here I don't know anyone, but hi everyone, we'll be knowing each other soon. And I'm very excited about this movie because I have very good confidence about this movie as much as the response what we're going to get in Motherland. The same way I believe it's going to be here because the script doesn't demand any native or any city or any language. It's just based on a city-based script which can be adopted in any script, any city. And then being a debut project, you know how much we would think to do a project. So as a debut, I believed in the script so much, and that's how the script is. And the script is based on love. That's how we portray it, but there's a lot more in the script than love. I'm sure it's going to excite you at least every 15 minutes in the movie because that's how the script is being designed from the director. And he's a very, a very special person to me in my life because this movie was narrated to me in a way and it was taken in the same way because being with Dulquer, pan-India star, and I'm being somewhere part of in some corner in some city, and still he was able to, able to make the same movie what he narrated because of Dulquer. He shared the screen so much with me. கொஞ்சம் பயம் வருது திரும்ப லைட்டா. Thank you. Lighta. And apart from this, enna soltom? Any questions anyone can ask me? No. English. Okay. அப்படியா? வணக்கம்ப்பா. ஐயோ ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கேங்க்கா. உங்களை மாதிரி இப்படி பேசினா ஜாலியாக பேசுவேன் நான். భోంచేసావా? కాళ్ళందు only one idli we got. Seriously. Chai. I know. Just because I did this movie, I'm here, or else I will be there and asking, what is Kannum Kannum Kolledtal? Why this title? I can understand. Kannulu Kannulante Dochayante. Like we have accent to mix it with.
It's a great opportunity for me to be in this project. Yeah, I'm also nervous. I might also blabber. You have to be okay with all this. I just wanted to thank my team for everything. My director for the opportunity. For casting me, for trusting me, and DQ for being nice to us, for giving the space we need. Very serious, always like down to earth. He's trying to make us feel comfortable, and it's not because he is that, so it's not definitely. And Ritu, she's not here. We're missing her actually.
Yeah, let's talk about Ritu. Why is she not here? Ritu is not here. That is the tag,
And my DOP, I'm thanking everybody, the whole team, and thank you so much. About me, I'm basically a stylist. Yeah, this movie, and yeah. Worked in as a designer, yes, in Tamil, Kavya Thalavan, Kabali, Kadakali, recently Namavitu Pillai, yes. I'm doing both. I have done that also, the styling part, and also doing a character as Shreya. Thank you. I'm sorry, I'm nervous maybe.
Thank you, the press, media, and all kinds of media here. Thank you, my director, my hero. I'm here because of DQ. No, usually cameramans won't be in press meet like this. I'm here because of this kind of human. It's not a promotion. It's not a promotion.
Bhaskar, your movie did well in Telugu also, right? What's the name?
I'll speak. This is my fourth movie. My previous movie was Crime 23. It was Kutam 23 in Tamil. Previous one was Patti Endrathukulla, Vikram Samantha's, which were in Telugu. I don't know the name.
Chian Vikram and Samantha, the travel movie.
Yeah, 10. That thing. My first movie was Vallinam with the director of Eram, Vaishali. Eram. Yeah, that was my first debut movie with him. Talking about this movie, I don't have any difficulties handling these four guys actually. Usually cameramans have that difficulties on framing a single hero is a tough job. Actually, in this movie, throughout 4 movies will be in every frame, so I have to manage that thing. But I don't have any issues with these guys. They are very cooperative and they made easy my work. Yes, dedicated. The only main thing I have things to finalize these locations, the different kinds of locations, depends on the scripts. You will see in the movie. The next thing I want to say about heroine, she is not here. She doesn't know Tamil actually, but as a cameraman, we have difficulties during shots. If they go for more amount of takes, if the scene is the planned scene is not finished in every single day. But I don't have any problem with heroine or everybody in this project. That was my main satisfaction. Coming about GM sir, I personally, it's like a boon for me framing him in this project. This script had got a much bigger level because of him. I think you people will enjoy him on screen. I thank him personally on behalf of media. That's thing. If anything, we'll talk. Any questions? Thank you.
గురించి అయితే నేను చెప్పేదంటూ ఏమీ లేదు. మేము పర్సనల్గా 4 ఫ్యామిలీస్ కలిసి సినిమా చూద్దాం అనుకున్నాం. అయితే మీతో పాటు చూద్దామని ఈవినింగ్ అరౌండ్ 6 o'clock పెట్టుకున్నాం ప్రసాద్ ల్యాబ్లోనే. సో దానికి ఎటు రేపు రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి నేను చెప్పేదంటే ఏమీ లేదు. బట్ మా పక్కన కూర్చొని చూసారు అమాయకంగా, ఆమె అంత అమాయకురాలు కాదు సినిమాలో. సో ఆ కళ్ళు అవి చూసారంటే మోసపోవద్దు. సో సినిమాలో ఆ మీనింగ్ కోసం ఏంటంటే ఆ 2 కళ్ళు ఈ 2 కళ్ళని ఎలా దోచాయంటే అన్న మీనింగ్లో కొంచెం ఈ సినిమా ఉంటుంది. సో నాకు నమ్మకం ఉంది. సో రేపు అందరికీ తెలిసిపోతుంది సినిమా గురించి చూసిన తర్వాత. రైట్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. అది ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్లో వచ్చేసేమో ఆ 2 కళ్ళు ఈ 2 కళ్ళను దోస్తాయి. మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ హాఫ్కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఈ 2 కళ్ళు ఆ 2 కళ్ళని దోచేస్తాయి అనమాట. సో దీంట్లో ఒక చిన్న ఇది ఉందండి, అంటే సినిమా చూస్తే కానీ అది మేము బయట చెప్పకూడదు. అది మీరు ప్యూర్ వెజిటేరియన్ అనుకుంటున్నారేమో, ఇది సెకండ్ హాఫ్ మొత్తం నాన్ వెజిటేరియనే. సినిమా తీసుకోవడం అంటే ఏం లేదు. మై కంపెనీ వైకామ్ 18 స్టూడియో, సో ఎనీ మూవీ మేము తీసుకోవాల్సిందే. బట్ ఈ సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత ఎందుకు ఇది మనమే చేసేసుకుంటూ పోద్ది కదా అనిపించి తీసుకున్నాం అంతే.
Actually, thank you for asking this question. Actually, I wanted everything to be a news, sir. As a first film director, I want to be in news. My movie should be in news. There should be some question in everything. That's why I bring him from Vijay Television. It's his debut, and I wanted a stylist to be an actress. And instead of routine characters sorry to name, usually this kind of antagonist role, they will go for Prakash Raj, or nowadays Samudragani also might do that. But instead of that, I want something special so that you people will talk about it. Otherwise, it is one of their movies. For Gautam sir, this is his first movie, so it is in the topic now. That's why I wanted to do that. Yes, ma'am. I didn't actually. The thing is, I explained. 1.5 years, I followed him. I text him. He doesn't even know me. We both are completely different. Strangers. He doesn't even know me. Like a fanboy, I text him, sir, I'm doing a movie. You have to act in that movie. Like that. For 1.5 years, continuously I did. And one day he called me for a meeting, and I went. I spoke for 5 minutes why I want him to be in this movie, and he said yes without even listening to the script. Yes. Sir?
No. That should never happen. Please, please, please. I know what is this next script, so I have some idea.
You are experimenting so much with the new kind of actors and all those things.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the reaction of your producer at the time of you are naming all these kinds?
Sir, yeah, the thing is, I must thank my producer and also my hero, because it's not again regular praising him, that kind of thing. Because once, even producer and hero, once they listen to the script, after that, not even single interruption from them. Not even change that, change this, do this correction. No, I know this guy, put him in that movie, like that. Not from the producer's side, from the hero side, no interruptions, sir. They gave me complete freedom. So I did. I think I am the first film director in Tamil, I don't know about Telugu industry, who worked with a very comfortable team. Everybody, including cameraman, art director, stunt director, music director. At the last minute, before the shooting starts, I told him, sir, I am not comfortable with the current music that I am working. I want to change the music director. 2 days before the shoot, producer said yes. Okay, go on. Like that, he gave me complete freedom, and he also, whatever I said, he will accept it. Okay, Desi, whatever you're comfortable, you do that, like that. So because of them only, it happens. Bro, this is casual. This is a fact, bro. This is not praising.
And I think it'll be such a nice combination to see Prabhas Garu with him. So it's going to be a very exciting project. And very personal to me because I feel like they're all like my family.
You like to do multi-starers or you don't?
I'm open to it. I have, as long as I have an interesting role and I have scope to perform in something, like you'll watch the film and you'll remember my role in some form. Like even when I did Mahanati, I'm not there throughout the film. But I've got so much love for that character and that role. Wherever I go, wherever I've traveled in the world, there'll always be somebody from Telugu who's just like, and it's a very different kind of love which I have not experienced in other languages. It's very personal to them. Sometimes they might not even just want to take a photo. Like a lot of people will just be like, no sir, I just want to see you, or can I give you a hug? It's so the cinema here is such a part of the culture. It's like it's a different kind of love. So I feel like if I do something here, it should be special. It should justify why I've done it.
Yeah, do you have any plans to do a direct film?
I'm doing one more this year. I let the makers reveal it.
Yes.
Then where are you taking this step to?
Okay, I never thought I'll be here. I have my own boutique, online boutique. I end up being there as a model for my own product. They saw me, especially the DOP saw my picture. They thought I will suit the character for Shreya, so they decided to cast me. So that's why I'm here. That's how I end up being here. That's how.
Then what is your confidence to do this character?
Confidence, whatever, yeah, the team, and also whatever I do, I wanted to give my 100%. I did my best, and also, yeah, as he said, the team, he made me feel very comfortable. The screen space he gave, like really good, and also rest of my cast, the co-stars, they also like supported me, helped me throughout. So it was a big task for me, but